Anyway, I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, you know Paulo Cruzada, huh? I'm just gonna say to you, I report you to your dad anyway. Why can't you just stop mentioning Kuya M.A. Chan Viray, even Nanay Ningning, even all of your allies, Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, Ardel Guerrera Castillo, aka Best Pills, Jeffrey Asedio, Gene Asedio, and even Angelo Bonsa and Lance Salvacion. I am saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, I have a warning to you. You're not acting yourself, you're a special child. Jens Manaid and Baham Hernando are true special children. You are not a special child. You are a demonic. You are a Zionist. You are a terrorist wannabe, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, ha? For what you have done to Shania Kiana and Joseph Maspidas and J. Rick Silva. Even you mentioned about my mother's sister, Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirchenberg, who is spending a vacation here in the Philippines. You, Paulo Cruzada, ha? Do not mention about her name. Can you please, Paulo Cruzada, leave her alone? I say in Filipino, tantanan mo siya, that's why. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are a dumb person that you are not listening. Even Kuya M.A. Chan Viray, you still mentioning his name. Paulo Cruzada, I am begging you in your public. This is my Christmas message to you, Paulo Cruzada. Do not ruin their reputation. If you ruin their reputation, you will get in trouble. Eh, how come you hate Japan? How come you hate Germany? Eh, you've been there in Japan, Paulo Cruzada, with your family. Oh, cakes to our tour guide. Oh, you know, our tour guide, Kuya M.A., who tour us in the Shirakawa Go. Oh, he's very kind person. Oh, he talks about the Japanese cars. He talks about German cars. Oh, you, Paulo Cruzada, you stop criticizing German cars and Japanese cars, and you have to stop criticizing Germany. Don't you know, Paulo Cruzada? My ninang, Anya Suyuki, was German-American, the daughter of late Uncle Eugene, who's a German-American. You know, Paulo Cruzada, that Porsche, that car, that was a car of late Uncle Eugene, who's a German-American. That was a husband of Nanay Ningning. Oh, Anna Kirchenberg. Oh, why did you criticize Germany, Paulo Cruzada? Have you read in the history about the World War II? Look at the German Nazi who killed the Russians, Serbians, and even Belarusians. Oh, who were Jewish. I mean, I am Shia Islam and I'm Jewish. Oh, you see what happened. Oh, they apologize. Oh, Germany apologized to Russia, Serbia, and Belarus for what they have the sins. Oh, in the time in World War II, in Japan had apologized in World War II. Like, for example, Filipinos, oh, Koreans and Chinese, even Malays, even Indonesians, Japanese had apologized what they mistake. Oh, Japan apologized to Korea when the colonized of Korea. Japan had apologized for the comfort women. Oh. So Japan and Germany have never made a sin. Oh. Cakes to Shinzo Abe. Cakes to Angela Merkel. Oh. You have to read the history, Paulo Cruzada. Oh. Paulo Cruzada, I say to you, you are not learning about history in the past. And what is your car anyway, Paulo Cruzada? Toyota, Nissan, BMW, or Volkswagen? Oh, if you criticize Bill Galang Volkswagen, I say to you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, Bill Galang's brother will beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. If you criticize BMW, if you criticize Nissan, Mitsubishi, oh, if you criticize our SUV, even Nissan, Mitsubishi Mirage, my dad is gonna beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop. You have to stop what you're doing. You have to stop mentioning my mom's sister, Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirchenberg. Oh, you have to stop mentioning about Kuya M.A. Chan Biray. They are being getting pissed in social media. That's why. Oh. Don't do that, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, if I threaten to beaten you, Joseph Maspinas and his friends will beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. What will be happen to your mother? Oh, if your mother die, I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if your father died also, what will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada? Paulo Cruzada, you will be taong grasa. That's why that is called a homeless man. You want to be a homeless man, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo Cruzada, I had enough of your accusations. You are doing stupidity. Oh, J. Rick Silva was right. If you threatening us, the NBI will arrest you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you're not acting special child, Paulo Cruzada. If you're acting to be a special child, if you're acting yourself a normal, you have to change yourself. You have to reflect yourself. And do not defend that goddamn Israel and European Union. Paulo Cruzada, look at in Palestine. They destroyed their homes by Israel and European Union because of you, Paulo Cruzada. You are a Zionist. You're a Sunni wannabe terrorist. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I had enough of your accusations. I am against terrorism, Paulo Cruzada, made by European Union and Israel. And Zionism and Sunniism. Change your brain, Paulo Cruzada. Terrorism is not a knowledge. Oh, if I'm a Shia, I am against Sunnis. I am against Zionism. Paulo Cruzada. You know, Bismillah ar-Rahim, Allahu Akbar ar-Rahman, I said to my Palestinian friends, do not listen to Paulo Cruzada. And to all of CDIFI, schoolmates, Buddy Castro, Crystal Dulce Jurado, Jens Manaid and Apple Alday, and Mrs. Dina Dulce Jurado, and Mrs. Rose Lamigo Canete, the mother of Kathleen, and the mother of Yvette, Crystal Dulce Jurado. Even Crystal Dulce Jurado, I mentioned her name. And even Even Zion Fernandez, who's my fellow Filipino-American. Even my good friends in CDIFI. I'm saying to them, do not be friends to this son of a bitch, Paulo Cruzada. He's really an asshole. And for me, Paulo Cruzada, fuck you, Paulo Cruzada. I had enough of your foolishness. You mess a wrong person. You mess a wrong person like Joseph Maspinas, me, Shania Kiana, and Jerick Silva. You mess all of us. If you try to mess anyone, I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if you try to mess Teacher Vincent Ramos, he will beaten you. Teacher Vincent Ramos was Filipino-Indonesian. He's having spending a Christmas Christmas celebration tomorrow with his family. Oh, do you want to mess him up, Paulo Cruzada? If you mess him up, you will get in trouble. You will get beaten. That's why